Hello, I invite you to attend our next International Modern Commercial Goat Rearing Masterclass, Goat Farm Management Masterclass here in Abuja and online. During this training, it will be a wonderful opportunity for you to meet our goats here in Pilgrim Ranch Demonstration Farm. We are doing these trainings online and on site. We are starting on Friday evening, the 31st, to be an integration time over grill, barbecue. And then on Saturday all day, we are going to have theoretical and practical sessions. And for those of you who are interested, we invite you also to participate in the internship, 6 days internship, free of charge for the registered participants. We invite you to attend this training. We have trained more than 5,000 participants, and actually it's a life-changing experience. And by the way, this is King George. King George is the king of this particular farm. Hello, King George. How are you? They are very gentle and very, very friendly. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye.